Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are checking out the best smart screen earbuds that combine cutting-edge audio technology with a sleek, user-friendly design. If you want high-quality sound and clear calls with ultimate comfort, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of the Miniso MS199 smart screen earbuds. These earbuds are designed to bring an enhanced listening and calling experience to your daily life. The Miniso MS199 delivers clear, high-definition audio for both music and conversations, making it perfect for anyone who wants reliable wireless earbuds that perform in every situation. One of the standout features is the high-sensitivity microphone paired with environmental noise cancellation. This ensures that calls remain crisp and clear by filtering out wind and background noise. Whether you're on a busy street or a noisy office, your voice will come through naturally, almost like talking face-to-face. The sound quality of the Miniso MS199 is another major highlight. With deep, resonant bass and sparkling highs, these earbuds create an immersive audio experience. The sound stays balanced at all volumes, giving you clear music, podcasts, or audiobooks without losing detail. The open ear design also lets you stay aware of your surroundings, making them safer and more versatile for outdoor activities or workouts. Comfort is key with the MS199 earbuds. They use ergonomic liquid silicone ear tips that fit snugly without causing fatigue. Combined with the ultra-lightweight build, you can wear them for hours during commutes, exercise, or long work days without discomfort. Another feature is the smart touch controls. These allow you to pause or play music, answer calls, and even access your voice assistant effortlessly. This makes interacting with your earbuds simple and intuitive, keeping your hands free and your routine uninterrupted. The Miniso MS199 also uses adaptive EQ technology. This AI-powered system customizes sound output based on the shape of your ear, optimizing audio performance for a richer and more precise listening experience. This personal touch ensures every track sounds just right. Design and build quality are also impressive. The earbuds have a sleek, modern look and a lightweight, portable form that fits comfortably in your pocket or bag. The materials feel durable while remaining stylish, so you get a reliable product that looks as good as it performs. In real life, these earbuds make a noticeable difference. They let you enjoy clear calls during virtual meetings, crisp audio while exercising, or detailed music while commuting. The combination of comfort, convenience, and sound quality makes them a daily companion you can rely on. The Miniso MS199 smart screen earbuds are ideal for active users, commuters, or anyone who wants high-quality wireless audio with advanced features. They suit both casual listeners and those who need dependable performance in demanding situations. Here's the key takeaway. If you want smart, comfortable, and high-performing earbuds, the Miniso MS199 is a great choice. Check the price link in the description and see if they fit your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.